the development of very thin carbide-tipped circular saw cutters, as well as Cermet's tipped saw blade, have attracted engineering industries to use for mass metal sawing application, as material cutting wastage or kerf loss is very similar to bandsaw machine. With the technological development in cutter blade, micro mist spray oil, and high-accuracy gearboxes have enhanced the tool life, which makes per cut cost cheaper than bandsaw machine. Many industries including cold and warm forging industries, automotive ancillary, bearing industries, tube and pipe industries, defense industries, and all type of engineering industries have started using carbide sawing machines with great success. Because of complete AC servo operation, the maintenance stopover is very less, and machines are very reliable for 24 hours working and are installed directly online for feeding to the forging press or machining centers. ITL offers wide range of circular sawing machines having maximum capacity of 80 mm, 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, and 450 mm cutting capacity. Carbide sawing machines' productivity is extremely high. With high degree of length accuracy and cut finish. Because of very high length accuracy, the weight variation is within ±1 gram for 40 mm bar dia. It can replace 5 bandsaw machines for the same output. Model Csnc 80 is most acceptable in all the industries. Machine program and operation has been made very simple and user-friendly, so that a semi-skilled person can operate the machine without any difficulty. When machine is ready for operation, can save different programs which are regularly required to be used for cutting. For entering a new program, a cutting data sheet can be prepared by engineering department and the parameters can be entered quickly and easily on the screen, like number of cuts required, cut length, cutting speed depending upon material, per tooth load, that is cutter feed, cut material size, crop cut length to remove starting and end piece, cutter diameter, its thickness and number of teeth are required to be entered along with the file number. When shuttle reaches close to the main shuttle vise after cutting, cutter returns back, shuttle vise opens and reaches to home position. PLC gives signal to eject a new bar on roller table and shuttle vise. Shuttle vise clamps the bar and moves forward such that the programmed crop cut length is positioned for cutting. End piece and crop cut piece are automatically separated in a scrap bin and auto-adjustable chute. After cutting, the cutter does not return back till the cut piece and raw material are moved away from the cutter. Whenever a new size is to be cut or programmed to be changed, machine is required to be run for home position and then put to auto mode and start cutting. For mass cutting application, automatic bar loader has been provided which automatically operated as per the PLC command without involvement of operator. A machine has been provided with shuttle stroke of 1000 mm and bar indexing is done as per the cut length program through servo motor and ball screw, which offers length accuracy is within ±70 microns. A screw-type motorized swarf conveyor is located under the cutting area, and scrap chips are taken away from the machine into the scrap bin. To obtain good surface finish and enhance tool life, electromagnetic particle clutch is mounted on gearbox. Oil mist spray is very important in carbide sawing process to obtain good surface finish and enhanced tool life. Unist USA make state-of-art micro mist spray system has been installed on machine, which can be set for number of stroke per minute and oil quantity depending upon the material properties. Specially designed 3-nozzle arrangement offers lubrication and cooling to rotating saw blade tooth top and face as well as either side carbide tips. Due to very high cutting rate, heat is generated and mist oil converts to fume. To recover unburnt oil from the fume, a vacuum oil mist or fume collector and oil separator is provided at top of machine, which keeps the inside of machine cabinet clean and avoid oil mist to go in atmosphere. Machine is provided with hardened and ground tool steel non-contact type guide, which precisely fixed on the machine to guide the saw blade, which offers tapper-free cuts throughout the cutter life. High tensile wire brush is mounted on the spindle of hydraulic motor, which can be positioned suitably to clear chips from the gullets of saw blade, which improves tool life by 20%. Machine is provided with well-engineered 3-stage helical gearbox using alloy steel, hardened and ground gear for backlash-free operation. Carbide sawing technique required very precise per tooth load. As such, servo motor and ball screw have been provided for saw carriage movement. To avoid vibration during cutting, linear motion guide with roller bearing has been provided for inclined saw carriage. A fully automatic PLC-controlled oil lubrication system has been provided, which pumps the oil as per the program at different location. Material stock clamping arrangement has been designed in such a way that thin slices can be cut without any difficulties.